Hi guys, so we are back again in the live session after fixing the buffering issue. We are back in live, and yeah, I have gone live again to see how the market is doing. Hello traders, so we have got back on live again for some of the trading opportunity coming in the market, and our network issue is fixed. We are currently doing very well. So we have fixed the network issue. Hello traders, we are back on live again for another live session. So as you can see that in our previous live, we were experiencing a little bit of buffering, so we fixed that, and now we wanna see that how the market doing at the moment. The first day of trading week, definitely something that we can look at. What I see that gold, after you can see that there is a middleman formation on gold on the 4-hour, which is basically potentially a bull market. We might see that gold is having a bit of upside bias here on gold, and the trend is up, and expecting gold to have a bounce to the upside to create a new higher high. So if you guys look at here, what we can see that this is a resistance line here, and there is an inverted head and shoulder formation as expected in your previous live, and I think that gold might be moving back to the upside. Guys, let me know, give a feedback now. I think the trend, the network is very well at the moment, a pretty good network. The buffering has stopped, so let me know, give me a feedback so that I can increase it further. So here what you can see that gold 15-minute chart, pretty much bullish here. The market looks like that might be trending to the upside after this inverted head and shoulder formation. So pretty important level here, what you can see. So let's see where is our next opportunity. What I think that gold, if you guys look at, we might see a resistance retest. So from the 4-hour, you can see this is a back-to-back 1, 2, 3 sessions liquidity grab, and then we can see the market has got bounced to the upside on gold. And with that in mind, if you look at the lower time frame on the 15 minutes, what we can see that this is a if you look at here, you can see this is an inverted head and shoulder, and with that inverted head and shoulder, what we can expect for the price to go ahead and then to create a new higher high. So lower time frame price action, there is a doji here, okay, so which is pretty much a doji, and you can see this is a move here, correction, expecting another move to the upside. And with that in mind, what we can expect on gold is this is a resistance line, pretty important level of resistance, and expecting it to keep pushing high. So at this point, I would like to open buy on gold from this level. My stop loss will be below this level, and I want to target here 3 to 1 to this resistance line. We might change our later if needed. We might change a bit of TP target. So at the moment, I would like to go long on gold by market, so which will be around 2830 pip stop loss. So so the stop loss at 2325. What kind of price is showing here? 2328. Where gold is okay, so this is our entry, and the stop loss is 2325.63. We'll be targeting 3 to 1 reward to risk. So always bigger risk reward is very important. Stop loss at So we'll be looking at gold here. Long 2325.63 stop loss. TP target is, we will be targeting up to the 321, 2339. So 1% risk on gold, and I'm long on gold. Also, I'll be sharing the same trade in the VIP community. If you guys are there, you should see that. RTP stop loss on gold, and I'm long on gold. As soon as we have open, we see a bit of bounce going on. I believe you guys also ready for this trade. Let me know if you have any question. First trade of the day. It's also an important day because there is a, if you guys see that there is also so let me see here as well. It's another 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. I'm expecting gold to have a bounce to the upside. You guys expecting? Let me know. So as soon as we open, we see a bit of upside here on gold. So why did I do that? I think I just placed a pending order. Come on. Long market. Stop loss. Okay, guys, long on gold. And the reason I'll be explaining the in-depth strategy behind the trade. Before we go to that, I would like you to guys give a thumbs up in the live session. If you are enjoying the live session, make sure you smash the like button. It's a sudden, again, another one. And I believe that now the internet and everything, the buffer, you guys and girls are not experiencing any buffering. Thank you very much, Mickey Man. Coach, what is AI TF? You tell now much win rate? Yes, absolutely. Thank you, Mickey Man. If you are in the academy, you can get access to that. Join the free Telegram channel for more information about learning the strategy and also being part of the trading community. We had last week, there was a giveaway. Now it's ended, but still you can use the website to join to be part of Forex Trading Wizard Academy to learn and grow as a trader with me. Now, if you guys look at here, I'm bullish on gold. The reason is we see that there is a significant liquidity grab from the support on gold. This is a very important level of support. If you look at here, okay, so this is a support level here, switches support here, support here, support here. Pretty important level of support, massive liquidity grab. And then we have seen a bounce, a pullback, another bounce, pullback. So the market is basically trending in the upside. You can look at here, you can see this is a big move here, followed by this correction, another move, correction. So the market is typically creating bullish market structure. So what we can see here is that this market is trending. Okay, so we can see that it's an uptrending market structure, and with that uptrending market, we can expect for the price to break to the upside, and this is a very important level of resistance, which is high liquidity zone. And from that high liquidity zone, expecting gold to have a bounce to the upside to create a new higher high. I'm long on gold, and as the market structure is bullish, expecting it to move back to the upside. And in the meantime, I would appreciate if you like this stream. It's a sudden call just to look at the market to cover up our previous session that we couldn't run on. And if you are enjoying the live session, make sure you smash it and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. Thank you. Okay, guys, and yeah, we are bullish on gold. Let me know how many traders here with me. I share the same trade in the VIP community also. And with that said, let's keep moving. Here is what we can see. If you guys look at, you can see this is a massive liquidity grab. We have seen a downtrend and then grab the liquidity, bounce back up, break up a structure, pull back, retest of the previous support, and expecting now it to trend in that direction. Now, understanding market structure is key to be profitable as a trader. Good evening, coach. Any head and shoulder on 1 hour? So we see that inverted head and shoulder on the 15 minutes on gold, which is very important market structure for me. If you guys look at, and with that in mind, if you look at the 30 minutes time frame, 1 hour time frame, and 15 minutes time frame, where you can see that the market is, if you look at here, head, left shoulder, right shoulder. Okay, so which is a very important head and shoulder pattern here, expecting it to bounce back to the upside to create a new higher high. What you can see here is this is a pretty much important market structure, and I'm expecting on gold, that to bounce and then to create a new higher high here. Okay, so from the market structure perspective, if we look at also the 1 hour chart, okay, so what you can see on the 1 hour, there is a bullish candle formation. If you guys remember, in our previous session, we expected for the price to bounce, and we see that it has done that. It has got a bounce, and with that bounce, the market now keep pushing, expecting it to push high. Now, 4 hour candle, which is a middleman. Now, if you are not sure about the middleman, let me know. Probably you have heard of first time about the middleman. Middleman is, I do have a strategy based on middleman. If you guys haven't looked at it, you can find it on the website. If you are our member, you should be able to get access to that advanced strategy that available on the website. If you want to check out all the strategy that I'm trading currently, you can visit the website www.forextradingwizard.com, which is if you want to check out the website, you can visit the website link below this video, where you can learn and grow as a trader with me. So what we can see that here, if you guys remember, you can see that this is a pretty strong bullish impulse, and expecting it to remain bullish for some more time. 15 minutes and the lower time frame, we can see that the market is very strongly bullish at the moment. So here is, if you guys see that this is a pretty strong liquidity candle formation, and with that liquidity candle formation, expecting it to move back towards the upside. And there is this is a very important resistance line here. You can see a pretty important red candle, massive drop followed by a pullback, another drop. So, and then the market changes its trend. So also we see an impulse here. Okay, so a big impulse, correction, deeper correction, liquidity grab, now expecting it to go ahead and to create a new higher high. So we are up a bit, couple of pips on this, and if you guys with me, definitely you should see some pip running on. Okay, are you guys with me? First day of the day, first trade of the day, and yeah, let's keep moving forward, keep pushing high. Now past week we had a giveaway to join our academy. The giveaway is over, but for those who already registered with the giveaway, you still can get access to that. But for those who haven't registered yet, you still can visit the website, and then you can join via the website. You can find link below this video. So let me know if you have any question. So here is, okay, so this 30 minutes, 1 hour, 15 minutes. Okay, so yeah, 15 minutes trend is still showing bullish. Okay, so you can see a big move followed by this correction, and another move followed by this correction, and you can see the market is basically trending, okay, with a very strong momentum. And with that momentum, expecting for the price to go ahead and then to create a new higher high. So are you guys with me? Okay, so here is, if you look at the 5 minutes, it's a bullish engulfer here. Okay, we can see that a bullish engulfer. There is a this is a smart money zone here. Okay, so which is a smart money area. We have seen a breakout and then a pullback, and expecting it to trend in that direction. We'll see that where the market might be heading. Based on that direction, we can look for a potential entry. Okay, so we are on the trade, and if we need to add another position, that's what I was talking about, that we might be adding. This is always a good idea to add to the winner, cut the loser. Okay, so most traders do the opposite. So the wise trader are those who add to the winner, cut the loser. That's how the real trading is. And let me know, traders, also which one you are looking at the moment. And also I would like to see the calendar. If we look at the Forex Factory calendar, so looking at the calendar here, let's look at the calendar. So Forex Factory calendar, we can see that there is a, this is you can see it's a, there is a coming up later today also ISM service PMI. Okay, ISM manufacturing PMI on dollar, which is pretty important news, very high impact news. And tomorrow coming up also the euro as well as the dollar. Fed Chair Powell will speak. Basically, when he speaks, there is something always goes on in the market. So, and then followed by Joel's job opening. All right, so pretty important day, and we see that a bit of rejection here. What's happening? Why there's a rejection? Because we might see a bit of deeper pullback. Where the rejection is. So you see a bit of rejection. It might be a correction. A little bit of rejection, which is a correction, and okay. So I don't want to see that it's again breaking below, but let's see. We might see deeper pullback, but the trend is up. We have traded in the direction of the trend. That's the key. Trading with the trend is the most important part as a trader. So it's the most important part as a trader to look at, to trade with the trend. So now here is a bit of rejection. So you see that the market basically dropping to that. This is a significant level of, or I would say that it's a, this is a very important level of liquidity zone where the market is testing that previous resistance, which is turning support. And then we might see that trending in that direction. We'll see where heading. Okay, 5 minutes. Want to see that this one is closing as a rejection candle, then we can expect further upside. Otherwise, we don't want to see that a head and shoulder formation here again and then to drop bigger. For me, the bias is still bullish. And in the meantime, also GBP, JPY, very weird price action has created, very peculiar. But I think that's price action. You can see that it's also potentially bullish price action on GJ. And in the meantime, all the traders who are in this live session, I would appreciate if you smash this like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you can do so to get access to more tutorials available in the channel. Join the free Telegram channel, link below this video, where you can find all the information, all the educational things that you can offer in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So I'm giving you the link of the free Telegram channel in the live chat. You can use that free Telegram channel link to join and to get access to everything. Okay, here is if you guys look at that, it's a massive bullish rejection here. And with that rejection, if you guys see that this is a doji here, pretty much important doji on gold, and expecting now, you can see this is a red candle that expected it to close a bit above with a bit of longer wick. We might see now, see that if it is coming for a deeper pullback here. So there is a middleman here, and that middleman, okay, so propelled another potential bullish candle. We might see that it's pushing back to the upside. That's why we are long on gold. All right, so 5 minutes, expecting to create a bullish rejection to the upside on gold. Okay, so far bullish, and so far bullish, and waiting for the price to go ahead and create a new higher high. We'll see where the market is heading. So far for me is still potential for upside. Okay guys, so hope that you are enjoying the live session. Make sure guys and girls, you give a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. Here is a bit of upside here, what you can see. And with this upside bias, expecting for the price to go ahead and then to create a new higher high. Okay guys, so you can see that it's a pretty steep, potentially bullish market structure, waiting for the price to go ahead and then to move back to the upside. We'll see that still we can see there is a narrower candle, and with this narrow candle, expecting gold to move up and then to trend in that direction, which you might see that it's breaking to the upside. Right here is the doji, and okay, so it's trying to form a potential head and shoulder, guys. Here, that's not what I have expected, but let's see if it is still maintaining bullish structure on the higher time frame. Look at the 15 minutes again, and the 5 minutes. So the 5 minutes is a potential head and shoulder, but I wouldn't consider it as a still a reversal. still we can expect it to keep pushing high because the market structure is still bullish. And pretty important day. We as you know, the first day of trading week is very important. First day of trading week where we can find a bit more clearer picture about the market, as you know that first day is always very volatile day. Now once we see here on gold, what we can see that this is the gold pricing. And if you guys look at here, you can see there's a long wick candle, quite a few long wick candles. And with this long wick candle, expecting gold to move up and then to trend in that direction. So looking at the, if you look at the 15 minutes, 30 minutes, here is what I'm expecting on gold is for the price to move up and then to fill that long wick at the top. This is what I'm expecting on gold. All right, so if the trend is bullish, we might see that the market is remaining bullish to the upside. Okay, so here, yeah, it's trying to pick up. Okay, so waiting for the price to go ahead and fill that wick. Okay, so to go ahead and fill that wick. Okay, so you can see this is a liquidity zone, previous resistance, turn support, and expecting it to trend in the direction. So here is, if you look at, okay, this is a very important liquidity zone. And with that liquidity zone, expecting for the price to move back up and then to create a new higher high. See that? It's a gap opening. We are running a bit of profit at the moment. See how far it is heading. There is a liquidity candle formation again on the 5 minutes, which might bring further to the upside. Are you guys with me with the trade? I see that likes is 1/5 of the view. If you give a thumbs up, will be helpful. Thank you. Today big news. Do you see the news? I don't see the news, but I trade the news sometime after the news. Gbpusd, yeah. Head and shoulder, yeah. Thank you. I missed the buy. Can I buy? You missed the buy, so then it's expired. I don't recommend to enter a trade after it become a bit of expired. There will be a lot of trading opportunity. Never experience the FOMO is the biggest killer of our trading account, guys. So don't experience FOMO. FOMO might damage your trading account, so make sure that you always trade based on strategy and proper risk management. I feel gold is forming an inverted head and shoulder. This is what we see. So what time frame are you using? Can we make entry now? No, I'm on it and we are running profit. I don't recommend to enter late. There will be a lot of trading opportunity coming up. So you can see that it's a pretty, this is a pretty, that this is a very strong bullish impulse here. This is a liquidity candle, and we can see the market, in fact, is, you can see it's heading to the upside and it's trending in that direction at the moment. So which is the main reason why we are long on gold. All right, guys. So let's keep holding it, and yeah, waiting for the price to break to the upside. We are up on this 18 pip. Let me edit the top text. Oh, this is our old information, still there, not updated. And in the meantime, traders, if you want a strategy, if you want to learn the strategy that I'm trading this gold, let me know how many traders today passionate about learning. Keep in mind, traders, how can I join? I'm new in your tube. Okay. So to join, there is an opportunity available for you to join today. You can find to join all the information on the free Telegram channel. So let me share with you the free Telegram channel link. So once you are on the free Telegram channel, you can get access to a lot of things that available. So join the free Telegram channel, guys and girls, if you wanna learn more about our strategies and everything. There is a lot of information available on the free Telegram channel. So once you join the free Telegram channel, you can learn a lot of things that is posted on the free Telegram channel. Now, gold is it is sometime it might sometimes just dodge you, but the most important part here when we enter a trade is to look at the market structure. And this is what I have looked at, not the head and shoulder, not the pattern. Okay, guys, keep in mind that, head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder, or maybe, double top, double bottom. It's not a big deal. The most important part here is to look at the market structure. Famous inventor Nikola Tesla once said that if you want to know the secret of the universe, then think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. If you want to know the secret of a person, a human being, then look at his thinking, feeling, and action. These are the three most important part of a human being defined as, right? How a human being think, how he or she feels, and how he or she acts, right? They all are interrelated, because what we think is what we feel, and what we feel, how we act, and that brings to the existence of the reality that we create for ourselves. So it is important that we look at that. And if you look at the market, you'll see the same philosophy. If you want to know the secret of the market, you don't have to have a bunch of indicator on your chart. You don't need to know 10 strategies. One strategy, more than enough. If it is proven, back tested. One tool, more than enough. So look at this one here, guys, the one that we have entered. For example, this liquidity candle in this whole move, okay, you can see that this is our you can see this is a 5 minutes bullish trend. Now if you look at this one, what is this? This is a liquidity candle. This is the 5 minutes time frame, and this is one of my favorite tool that I use. Okay, I'm being very open to my subscribers and members. Okay, this tool, I have never shared this because this is one of my best tool. that changed my trading completely. I have never shared it, but now I'm sharing this because what I realize is that, guys, the only way to get is to give. So I want to give it to you, this tool, today, to get access to that. Now, to get access to that tool is not only giving you the access to this indicator, but also you need to learn the logic and the strategy behind that tool. Now, how many traders series want to get access to this liquidity candle tool that might help you? As I mentioned, trading always carries risk. It's not that whenever you see a liquidity candle you can buy and sell. There are some rules in it. But if you raise hand on the live chat, let me see how many traders are passionate about getting access to the liquidity candle. This is the tool that you will find exclusively in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. You can see that when there was a liquidity candle formation, the market made its move. So I see that Lilith has risen hand. Raise your hand, guys. Can we break down now? Okay. So to get access to that liquidity candle that we have in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, to get access to the liquidity candle, today you can join the free Telegram channel and then go through the messages that given. So let me update it. This week, a different strategy that you can join us. Okay, so you can find the information that how you can get access to that liquidity candle. There is a clear steps where once you are our member, you can get access to everything. So we are up on gold, couple of pips. How many pip? 26 pip up. What I want to do here at the moment, we see that this is a bullish market structure. I want to take partial profit and moving the stop loss just below this liquidity candle to reduce the risk. So before it drop back, so I'm moving my stop loss here below this liquidity candle, guys. Right. So so 2328.49. There might be further drop or might be bouncing back to the upside. Move the stop loss below the liquidity candle. If it breaks below the liquidity candle, we might get a stop out, but depending on your account size, depending on account size, can be taken the partial profit or just moving the stop loss will be also enough. It will be a little bit of risk there, a little bit, couple of pips risk, so it will be around 4 to 5 pip risk. I think that should be fine. So you might be able to take some partial profit in case you wanna stay level up. It might drop below the liquidity candle or might keep pushing high again. So I'll also update the VIP community. I've also advised the VIP community in the academy. So here, let's see. Okay. I might need to. Might drop below this level again. 30 minutes, pretty important price action from the 1 hour. if it is breaking out, we might see a very strong bounce the moment we see that. Okay, so wanting to see that it's not dropping below the liquidity candle but trending in that direction which is expected. As I mentioned, expectation and the reality might be sometime different, but you need to understand that trading is probability. Trading is all about probability, and also reality is a probability, right? What is reality? Reality, what we see, feel, and taste. It's a function of probability, right? Depending on your choice, your external reality will unfold based on your choice, right? So it's a probability. Now, trading is probability, and sometimes it become very difficult for some trader to understand what is probability in fact, right, guys? If you're enjoying the live session, I would appreciate if you smash the like button now and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. There's a lot to take from here, right? So what is probability? Let's look at the point of probability. Being a trader is not always, just winning a trade, but creating an identity of a trader. So how can you create an identity? Understanding the probability. So what is probability? Let's look at from a very scientific perspective. If you look at, that there is a famous scientist called the Schrodinger. So Schrodinger had a thought experiment. He said that, in his mind, he thought that if you put a cat, in a box, right? So you put a cat in a box, right? Let's say this is the cat in a box. And now after 10 days or 15 days, if you open the box, what you will see in that box? That's a thought experiment. Now, most people will go to a conclusion, right? Because we love to draw conclusion. The mind cannot understand in between, right? The mind loves to draw conclusion. Oh, yeah, the cat is dead because 15 days it didn't eat anything. And, and then someone will come, no, the cat is alive because, that if you throw a cat from a 10-story building, it is still alive. Then why it cannot be alive inside the box? Right? So there is a lot of argument comes and so you want to love drawing a conclusion, but Schrodinger is saying that the cat is dead and alive at the same time. That is probability, right? So being true and false at the same time, right? Dead and alive at the same time, that is probability. So how can you apply that probability in trading? So when you are opening a position, probability is that the trade will go in your direction or will not go in your direction at the same time. Can you grasp that concept where you cannot go to any conclusion? It's a part of. So when you are opening a trade, it's a probability. So when a trade is 60%, it says a 60% probability means that probability has both components of winning and losing at the same time. So therefore, you can't conclude that it's going to be winner or loser. But the higher the probability, the higher the chance of being successful. That's where the trading is. So keep in mind, traders. So that's why when you trade based on probability, you don't guess and you do the risk management, which is very important. So that makes sense. Thank you. Let's keep moving up. Okay, so here we so far, this is a 5 minutes bullish pin bar, expecting it to bounce back up in that direction and then to create a new higher high. We see that bounce on that, which is expected. So we see another liquidity candle formation. So after this liquidity candle, it's still the market is moving in that direction. We are long on gold and expecting for the price to move in that direction, to the major direction of the trend. Thank you. Euro USD. Yeah, thank you very much. I see the chart on 30 minutes. Yeah, thank you. Can you take fresh re-entry? Not any re-entry at the moment. We are running. We might trail the trade now, guys. You can see there is another liquidity candle. So what I'm going to do now, we will be trailing. We will be moving the stop loss here, so it will secure some more profit. Okay. So I'm moving my stop loss at 2329.67, guys. Keep in mind, as I mentioned, the money comes from trade management, not from only to trade. Okay, so I'm moving my stop loss on this 122329.67. Okay, so I move my stop loss on gold 2329.67, and which is pretty much important that you can see. Okay, there is a long wick at the top, expecting it to go ahead and fill that long wick. So move the stop loss at, I move the stop loss at 2329.67 to secure some more pips. Right, so the first day of the trading week, pretty successful. It is important that, you know, always traders keep in mind that quality is more important than quantity. Right, so coach, go up now. I'm holding. Okay, thank you. Can I enter, coach? I don't know, can't tell you to enter at the moment. Okay, traders, so to enjoy learn the strategy, there is a option available to join us today. There is a in-depth clear guide on the free Telegram channel. So if you join the free Telegram channel, you can find the information how you can get access to this. Okay, so here is this is a pretty bullish market structure here. Wanting to go ahead. Okay, so we see that still showing bullish. All right, so cool. Expecting it to move back up to the resistance line. All right, so there's a gap here, and wanting to for the price to move up. Okay, pretty much a massive. This is a pretty much a big bull candle. And there's a gap opening. The stop loss is here, which is more than our, a bit more than entry. Have you guys and girls updated the trade on that? Thank you. We are already on the trade. So how can I tell you enter? We are on a bullish trade which is running. Okay, so this is a quick live session that we have organized because our previous live that we have was a bit of buffering, but successfully we have secured a very good winning trade. It is still running. I will keep trailing, and because of the time constraint, I'm going to end this live session, but still the trade will be running. I will be trailing that after another liquidity candle formation. If you want to know more updates on that, also you can join the free Telegram channel today to get access to everything. So with that said, thank you for joining the live session. Tomorrow I'll be coming on live again on the London session, while we will be trading still later today in the VIP community. If you are on the VIP community, then you will find more updates on that. With that said, thank you very much for joining this quick live session. I believe that you traders enjoyed this live session. If you enjoyed, make sure you leave a like and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.